Have you downloaded files to your Galaxy S26 Ultra that you don't need anymore? Instead of looking for them one by one, Device Care can suggest downloaded files that you haven't used recently. Let me show you how to clean them up. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Device Care, tap Storage, scroll down the screen. Under the Suggestion section, you might see a suggestion to delete downloaded files. If you cannot see it, tap View More to see more suggestions. Then tap Select Files. Here you will see the downloaded files that Samsung has selected for review. You can select individual files that you no longer need, or you can tap the radio button at the top to select all of them. Once you have made your selection, tap Delete at the bottom. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete again to confirm. And be careful here. This file will be permanently deleted from the app that stores them. For example, if one of the selected files is an image, deleting it here will permanently delete that image from the gallery app. So make sure you have checked the files before deleting them. And that's how to clean up unused downloaded files using Device Care on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.